Do you know that a map provides more information than a globe? Hello everyone, today we will understand types of maps and its components. A map is a representation or a drawing of the Earth's surface, or a part of it drawn on a flat surface according to a scale. Maps are useful to us for various purposes. One map shows a small area and a few facts. Another map may contain as many facts as a big book. When many maps are put together, we get an atlas. Atlases are of various sizes, measurements drawn on different scales. Maps provide more information than a globe. There are different types of maps. 1. Physical maps. Maps showing natural features of the Earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans, etc. are called physical or relief maps. 2. Political maps. Maps showing cities, towns and villages, and different countries and states of the world with their boundaries are called political maps. 3. Thematic maps. Some maps focus on specific information, such as road maps, rainfall maps, maps showing distribution of forests, industries, etc. are known as thematic maps. Components of maps. There are 3 components of maps: distance, direction and symbol. Distance. As we cannot show the actual distance on Earth between 2 places, we use a scale for this purpose. Scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. For example, the distance between place X and place Y is 10 kilometers. If you show this 10 kilometers distance by 2 centimeters on a map, it means 1 centimeter on the map will show 5 kilometers on the ground. The scale of your drawing will be 1 centimeter equals 5 kilometers. Thus, scale is very important in any map. If you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any 2 places on a map. There are 2 types of scale maps. When large areas like continents or countries are to be shown on a paper, then we use a small scale. For example, 5 centimeters on the map shows 500 kilometers of the ground. It is called a small scale map. When a small area like your village or town is to be shown on paper, then we use a large scale, that is 5 centimeters on the map shows 500 meters only on the ground. It is called a large scale map. Direction. There are 4 major directions: north, south, east, and west. They are called cardinal points. Other 4 intermediate directions are northeast, NE, southeast, SE, southwest, SW, and northwest, NW. We can locate any place more accurately with the help of these intermediate directions. Symbols. Different features such as buildings, roads, bridges, trees, railway lines, or a well are shown by different symbols. These symbols give a lot of information in a limited space. There is an international agreement regarding the use of these symbols. These are also called conventional symbols. Various colors are used for the same purpose. For example, generally blue is used for showing water bodies, brown for mountain, yellow for plateau, and green is used for plains. A sketch is a drawing mainly based on memory and spot observation. Such a rough drawing is drawn without scale and is called a sketch map. A plan, on the other hand, is a drawing of a small area on a large scale. For example, architectural plan of a building. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next topic: major domains of the Earth.